Hello everyone, I'm Sushi-Me. Today, I'll be taking liberties and creating a modern spin on an old dim sum favorite, steamed shrimp rice roll. First up, we pour 1 cup of rice flour into our mixing bowl, gently, or you'll end up with a powdery cloud. Oops. Next, we give our rice roll some sheen and bounce with a half cup of tapioca flour. We add a pinch of fine-grained salt for taste. Mix our 3 powdered ingredients together till homogeneous. Shaking it in a bag will also work if you should have bad wrists. Like in most bread or pasta recipes, water quality will heavily alter the taste, so use bottled water if you have any doubts. With 1.5 cups of water, pour in small increments while stirring. Do not pour in the next increment till you eliminate any clumping. We now add a half teaspoon of vegetable oil for flavor. Too much more and your roll will turn out mushy. Stir vigorously or you'll have oil bubbles floating up. Set aside for an hour, stirring every 15 minutes so your mixture does not separate. I like using fresh shrimp for a more firm pop-in-your-mouth texture, but you can also use frozen. Place the shrimp in a steamer or something like this. Steam for about 5 minutes. Your shrimp should look orange and plump like this. With a dry paper towel, pat dry your shrimp. Oil a shallow plate, and then spread evenly with a brush. Give your mixture one final stirring. With a ladle, pour in your mixture just till the bottom of your dish is covered. Do not pour too much, or your rice roll will become too thick for use. Using the steamer once again, bring to a rapid boil, then carefully place in your dish. Let steam for about 3 minutes. Remove from the steamer and see what you've created. Using a spatula with an edge, loosen the delicate wrap from the plate. Place down your shrimp close together like this for a wider roll. Single file for a thinner roll, then fold closed. Here's where we take a break from the traditional to the modern, with Masago, which complements the pop and color of shrimp. Chopped green onions soaked in sesame oil for additional texture, taste, and color contrast. Now let's get to work on the traditional dipping sauce with a drop of clover honey. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And 4 tablespoons of all-purpose soy sauce. Stir till all the honey dissolves. Happy eating! If you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. Sushi-Me, outta here.